Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make arugula salad. Rinse and dry 2 large handfuls of arugula, remove thick stems, and place leaves into a roomy bowl. Keep leaves dry for better dressing cling. Toast nuts or seeds separately for crunch. Prepare toppings like shaved Parmesan and sliced pear nearby. Measure dressing ingredients so assembly flows quickly and every bite has balanced flavors from first toss onward. Mixing a simple dressing is fast and forgiving, and it elevates arugula beautifully. Combine 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of honey in a small jar. Shake or whisk until fully emulsified so the oil clings to the leaves. Taste and adjust salt or lemon gradually. Keep the dressing tight and bright to preserve arugula's peppery character. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music, timers, and recipe guidance while you prepare salad. It makes kitchen multitasking smoother and a bit more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. To assemble, drizzle a modest amount of dressing over the arugula and toss gently with clean hands or tongs. Add toppings like shaved Parmesan, toasted walnuts, or thinly sliced pear so they sit lightly on the leaves. Finish with a final tiny pinch of salt and a crack of black pepper. Plate quickly and serve at once to enjoy the peppery freshness, crunchy contrasts, and balanced acidity of the salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.